What's the meaning of claw hammer? Claw hammer. Claw hammer.
Claw hammer. Claw hammer. A clawhammer is a type of hand tool commonly used for driving nails into wood or other materials. It typically consists of a handle made of wood, plastic, or steel, and a metal head with a flat striking surface on one end and a curved claw on the other. The claw is used to extract nails from wood or other materials. A clawhammer is an essential tool for carpenters, construction workers, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who needs to do pounding or pulling work around the house or on a job site.